Remember Stella? Stella has 5 children, 10 grandchildren, and dozens of nieces and nephews. She's also got all their old clothes. From newborn through firstborn, Stella has outfits from every decade since the 60s, plus tablecloths, drapery, and blankets to match. Stella has finally admitted it's time to clean out her closets, not to mention her spare bedrooms, basement, garage, and attic, and get uncluttered. So once again, Stella turns to the village of Highland Hills for an easy recycling solution. "Glad to help you, Stella," says Jane. "Let's get you signed up for Simple Recycling." Every week, the Village of Highland Hills offers curbside soft goods and small appliance collections. All residents need to participate are the simple recycling green bags provided for free and just place them at the curb on the same day as trash. "In Highland Hills, recycling couldn't be easier," added Jane. Have a question about recycling? Just call your village hall, and you too can help make a difference for yourself, your community, and your environment.